Hello students, welcome to e-classes of P.N. Amarse High School. We will continue with our chapter number 14, Practical Geometry. Exercise 14.5, question number 5. With line segment PQ of length 6.1 cm as diameter, draw a circle. Solution for question number 5. Here we have to draw a circle which has a diameter of 6.1 centimeter. Now the first step is to draw a line segment PQ of length 6.1 centimeter. Now students, with the help of a ruler, we will draw a line segment PQ with length 6.1 centimeter. Students, in this way you have to draw a line segment PQ with 6.1 centimeter. Now step number 2 is we have to construct a perpendicular bisector XY of the line segment PQ. Now as I explained you earlier, to construct a perpendicular bisector we have to take radius more than half of the length of this line segment PQ. Here the length of line segment PQ is 6.1. So we will take radius more than 3 centimeter. So students, we will take the radius 3.5 centimeter. Here we will place the pointer at 3.5 and the tip of the pencil at 0. In this way we have to open the compass. Now with the center P and radius more than half of the length of PQ, draw two arcs, one on the either side of line segment PQ. Here we will draw one arc on this side and another arc on this side, and then with the center Q and the same radius, draw two more arcs to cut the previous arc. We will cut this previous arc in this way, and we will name it this point as X and this point as Y, and we will join these 2 points with the help of a ruler. So in this way we will join these 2 points. Now we have constructed the perpendicular bisector XY of the line segment PQ. Now let line XY and line segment PQ intersect at O. Now we will name this point as point O. Now step 3 is, since line XY is the perpendicular bisector of line segment PQ, so O is the midpoint of line segment PQ. Here if we measure this with the help of a ruler, we will get this, that O is the midpoint of line segment PQ. Now step 4 is, with the center O and the radius equal to the length of OP. Now we have to take the radius which is equal to the length of OP, and with the center O we have to draw a circle, and this circle passes through point Q. So students, in this way we will draw a circle with center O and radius which is equal to the length of line segment OP, and this circle will pass through point Q also. So in this way students, we have constructed a circle having a diameter equal to 6.1 centimeter. Question number 6. Draw a circle with center C and radius 3.4 centimeter. Draw any chord AB. Construct the perpendicular bisector of line segment AB and examine if it passes through C. Students, here we have to draw a circle with radius 3.4 centimeter and center C, and then we have to draw a chord AB, and then we have to construct a perpendicular bisector of AB, and we have to examine whether it passes through C or not. Solution for question number 6. Here the first step is we have to draw a circle with center C and radius 3.4 centimeter. So students, here we will keep the pointer at 3.4 and the tip of the pencil at 0. Now with this radius we will draw a circle. Students, in this way we have to draw a circle with center C and radius 3.4 centimeter. Now step 2 is we have to draw a chord of a circle. So students, in this way we will draw a chord of the circle and we will name it as AB. Step 3 is with the center A and radius more than half of length AB. Now here first we have to find out the length of AB. Now the length of AB is 5 centimeter. We have to take radius more than half of length AB. Now here the length of AB is 5 centimeter. We will take more than 2.5 centimeter. So students, we are taking radius as 3 centimeter, and now with center A and radius more than half of length AB, we will draw two arcs, one on each side of AB. So we will draw one arc on this side and other arc on this side. Step 4, with the center B and same radius, we have to draw two more arcs to cut the previous arc. Now we will name it as M and N. Now step number 5 is we have to join these 2 points M and N with the help of a ruler. So students, in this way we have to join M N. Now students, line MN is the perpendicular bisector of chord AB. Now we have observed that the perpendicular bisector of the chord AB, that is MN, passes through C, the center of the circle. Now students, here we have proved that the perpendicular bisector, that is line MN, passes through C, which is the center of the circle. Students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.